Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again.
The Excel special of the day is if, a logical function used to automate spreadsheets. The if function checks if a condition is met and provide an outcome, otherwise, if false it returns another outcome. In this example, we will nest multiple if functions as value if true. Multiple nested if functions are used when we want to enable a matrix of outcomes, for example to assign a school grade to a test score. For this scenario, we need to type the formula, as too complicated for the formula wizard. In here we have a list of students and their test scores. In column E, we want to automate their grades, using the grades matrix provided in column G. We will use multiple nested if functions to compare their score from column D with the grade scores of the matrix, moving from the highest to the lowest. Let's start. Select D6. Type equal. If. Open bracket. D6. Bigger than 89 as a logical test. Comma to move to the next block. Quotation mark. A. Quotation mark as value if true n comma. As value if false we will nest a new if function. If. Open bracket. D6. Bigger than 79 as a logical test. Comma. B between quotation mark as value if true n comma. Again, as value if false, we will nest a new if function. If. Open bracket. D6. Bigger than 69 as a logical test. Comma. C between quotation mark as value if true n comma. As value if false we enter a new if function for the fourth grade of the matrix. If. Open bracket. D6. Bigger than 59 as a logical test. Comma. D between quotation mark as value if true, then comma to add the last option in the value if false block. We type E between quotation mark and 4 close brackets, one for each of the if functions used. Finally press enter to finalize the formula. Now select D6 and apply the formula to the whole column using the fill handle. How you can see, Excel gave a grade to each student. Nesting multiple if formulas can be challenging, and it is important to don't forget the commas between blocks, brackets to delimiter each formula, and quotation marks for text strings. You can see the syntax in the screen, so keep practicing, however consider using the if-s function because is a better option. There you go, follow us for more and write any special requests in the comment.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.